Alrighty, Miss Angie, give us a little rundown.
Welcome to 2882 Ophelia Way in the Meridian Subdivision. Come on in. So this is our newest listing. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's a Cali model by D.R. Horton, in case you're familiar. And come on in.
Nice entryway.
You've got 2 bedrooms up this way. Ceiling fans throughout every room and blinds as well.
And if I recall, the ceiling fans all match,
The ceiling
which
fans
is
are
nice.
consistent throughout the house.
Okay, good sized room.
Here's a guest bathroom.
Full shower and tub. Nice aftermarket shower head.
Bedroom number 2.
Again, with matching ceiling fans and blinds.
Got big closets as well. Our client is packing, trying to get things put away.
Perfect.
This home is 1,768 heated square feet and 2,301 total heated, or total square footage. You come this way, there's the entry to the garage, which the garage has a great feature. He has added a screened door to it.
Super light, super easy to open.
Yep. In and out. The great thing is, if you want to sit out in your garage door, or sit out in the garage, you don't have to be bothered with neighbors necessarily seeing you, but,
Or bugs.
or bugs, primarily bugs. I think of neighbors.
All right.
Alrighty. All right, as you come back in, over here to the right, you're gonna find a 3rd bedroom.
Another good sized room, a lot of natural light.
Another big closet.
Perfect.
Now, one advantage is you have your air handler closet right there. There's no climbing up in an attic to deal with that. Laundry room is over here. This home is being sold with the washer and dryer. Come on into this massive kitchen. This kitchen gives you a great island, tons of counter space, perfect for big families. All appliances convey.
And I've noticed too that the washer and dryer are all the same brand as well. Frigidaire.
And one quick thing over here to point out, Todd. So this is just peel and stick. So if you don't like this, you can put up a custom backsplash, but otherwise it does cover the general area and looks great. Pantry. Walk-in pantry.
With light. Good size.
Lots of storage space.
Yeah.
You got dishwasher. And the great thing over here too is he's done a custom feature wall. So if you don't like the dark colors, you can always, do it like a whitewash finish or more of a beachy feel, but it's got that shiplap feel to it, so that's great. Little dining area there as well, which then walks you back out to the outdoor patio.
Nice low maintenance yard.
This stuff right here on the window also is it can be taken off. It's just a film.
For a little privacy.
Yep.
Shades as well to go down for privacy. Nice palm trees, both front yard and in the back here on the side. And again, very low maintenance yard.
He's got some bird houses up there. You've got privacy back here in the back.
Yeah, it's great.
All right, go back in the house. It's a hot day today.
Also, you've got bar stools here, in which you can have additional seating at your counter. It's so big.
We're doing an open house today, otherwise all of that would be cleared off. Great, huge seating area.
Yeah, those are big couches. Once again, ceiling fan as well.
And this then walks you into the master suite. So you're separated. It's a great split level floor plan. Huge bed. None of that conveys, but it does show you the how large, the size of the room.
Yeah, there's a lot of space that's not used. Not that you'd need to like use it all up, but boy, you're right. You can get a bigger bed in here, bigger furniture if need be.
Yep.
Walk-in shower.
Master suite.
Dual vanity. Don't need to see me.
Walk-in shower, which is perfect, especially if somebody is a little older and doesn't want to have a step up. There's another huge closet. In our house, this would be Todd's closet. Great big walk-in closet in there.
Lots of storage.
Got a water closet here. Come on back out here. So this home is a ranch home. It's got the single level, got a lot of great features to it. The custom walls, the ceiling fans throughout, blinds on the windows, stainless steel countertops. The best part about this house, so this is located in the Meridian Subdivision, and the Meridian Subdivision is just a golf cart ride to the beach or to downtown Market Common, where you can go and enjoy all the restaurants and shops that they have there. So this is currently on the market right now. Again, 2882 Ophelia Way in the Meridian Subdivision. Call us today and schedule an appointment.